Hi guys, welcome back, and today I have come up with strawberry cheesecake recipe. I'm gonna make this in 3 layers. First layer is of biscuit, second is of cheese cream, and the topmost layer is of strawberry syrup. So let's start with the recipe. First, I'm going to make biscuit layer. For that we need 200 grams of biscuit. You may use any biscuit of your choice, and 2 tablespoons of milk or butter. Here I am going to use milk. Grind biscuit coarsely in a mixer. Transfer it to a bowl, and into that add 2 tablespoons of milk in 2 to 3 batches. Combine biscuit well with milk. Biscuit crunch should not be sticky, but when you hold this mixture in your hand, it should retain its shape. Line this mixture to a cake mold and press it firmly with any flat surface glass or using your hands. Let it rest in refrigerator until our next layer is ready. Now let's move to our second layer. For that we need 1 teaspoon unflavored gelatin, 200 grams of cheese cream, 2 tablespoons milk, 3 tablespoons sugar, 200 grams of whipped cream. You may use heavy whipping cream and whip it by adding 2 tablespoons of sugar into it until stiff peak forms. Then we need 1/4 teaspoon of lemon zest and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. First, let's prepare milk jelly. Add gelatin to room temperature milk and mix till it gets dissolved. After that, add this mixture to 2 tablespoons of hot water and mix. Keep it aside till it cools down completely. Next, to a bowl add soft cheese cream and sugar. Make sure the cheese you are using should be in room temperature, or it should be soft like this. Now mix both the ingredients until it turns nice and creamy. It will take about 3 to 5 minutes. After that, add cool down milk jelly into this and combine well. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of lemon zest, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into this. Mix and combine all the ingredients very well. Next, let's add whipped cream into this. Combine cheese cream well with this whipped cream. So our second layer is ready. Let's layer it on top of the base layer. Level it off with the help of a spatula. Now cover it and rest it in the refrigerator for 7 hours or preferably overnight. Next, let's prepare our last layer, that is strawberry syrup layer. For that we need 150 grams of strawberry cut in cubes, 2 teaspoons unflavored gelatin or strawberry flavored gelatin. Since I have strawberry flavored gelatin, I am using it. Then we need 2 tablespoons water and 1/8 cup of sugar. Add gelatin in water, give it a mix and keep it aside. Next, to a saucepan, add strawberries and sugar. Combine sugar well with strawberries. Heat this on medium flame till strawberries turn soft and leave excess water from it. has turned soft. Turn off the gas flame. Add gelatin mixed water into this and give it a mix. Filter strawberry mixture. So, our strawberry syrup layer is ready. Allow this mixture to cool down completely. And you can see our second layer has set very well. Now pour strawberry syrup on second layer. Tilt and level it equally. Allow this to rest in refrigerator for another 2 hours or till our last layer forms jelly. Leave its edges using knife and remove the cake mold carefully. So, our strawberry cheesecake is ready. Thank you for watching Cooking Mojo.